sea of faces. There's a dreamy world up there. Dear friends in higher places, carry me away from here. Share the light that the sun eclipses you, 'cause your flight is about to leave. There's more to this brave adventure than you ever believe. Wake the stars, bright eyes will always brighten the bravery, 'cause after all those dreams will take you up so high. So bid the forest roar goodbye, so embrace the wind and take to the sky.
I'm gonna need you, Jasper.
On the hills of water and wonder, there's a stormy world up there. You can't whisper above the thunder, but you can cry everywhere. Of paper verses, with the face of thousand words, with a thread of myth and mystery, and don't look back. Words eyes, wake the stars, they're all around you. In the blue, chase your dreams and remember me, sweet bravery, 'cause after all those things will take you up so high. In the forest, roar goodbye, as you raise the wind and take to the sky.
May mga personal message ba?
May announcement ako! Official announcement! Pinapakilala ko, kaya siya naka-uniform. Kaya siya naka-uniform. Oh, message daw! Ano ba?
May personal message ba kayo from grade 6 o kayo grade 6 to grade 5? May message ba? Pwede sa natanong sa isa, pwede sa live live.
Matangkad!
Okay! Ako na magsisimula yung tanong. Bilang teacher ng grade 5. Carlos, nasa 11 na. 11 na. Sino ba yung niligaw mo sa grade 5? Boom!
Dinner tanong lang po. Sige, talaga.
Sige, may tanong
Sino ka man tanong ano? Hindi. Sino ka man tanong ano? Sino ka man tanong? Sorry, so.
Si Justin.
Yes! Sabi ko na nga eh.
Kaira. Sobrang tangkad.
Yung kasi sa inyo. Pwede na kayo umuwi.
Bata grade 6.
Thanks ko.
Pictures for 0730230305. Ulitin mo.
12730.